Mark Williams Enterprises introduces the ultimate third member for 9-inch Ford applications, which incorporates the latest in metallurgical, engineering, and manufacturing technologies. It all starts with MW's highly refined through-bolt aluminum case, which is made from A206 alloy to combine lightweight with incredible strength. Special features include an extra-long, fully captive pinion pilot bearing, with a choice of steel or aluminum main caps that are secured by hefty half-inch bolts. MW's Severe Service third member features special 10-inch gears that have dramatically improved service life in extreme horsepower applications like Pro Mod. They are secured with safety-wired ARP chromoly bolts. The main bearing bore has been increased to 4 inches and is paired with special angular contact ball bearings that control deflection far better than tapered roller bearings and exclusive to MW. Full ceramic bearings are an available option. In addition to the 10-inch Severe Service third member, Mark Williams also offers special 9.5-inch low friction models as well as standard 9-inch Ford third members. MW's low friction unit is used by many leading pro stock racers as it helps them put more power to the ground. One of its key features is a pocket lightened ring gear, and the set is micro polished to reduce friction and eliminate any material transfer during break-in. The gears are also sub-zero thermally treated to remove any retained austenite. Many other features help set MW low friction third members apart from others. One is the Sure-Lock adjuster system, which makes other retention systems obsolete and absolutely prevents adjuster backout. Another is the exclusive pinion support, which has ceramic dual opposed angular contact bearings that reduce friction and add rigidity to the pinion. Each third member is assembled by MW's experienced technicians using friction-reducing techniques. A load drag seal contributes to a preload drag of only about 5 inch-pounds of torque. To complement the third members, a wide range of MW pinion yokes are available. These include billet aluminum models for 1350 and 1480 series U-joints, as well as standard and extra heavy-duty yokes made from chromoly steel forgings with billet caps. Get the third member that's best for your application and budget. Visit markwilliams.com or speak to a tech rep by calling 1-800-525-1963.